come in.
Good day, my lady.
Good afternoon, Leo. Now what you want?
My lady, Chief asked me to get a bag that has a file of O'Neill's urgency limited on it. He says you check the last drawer.
The bag that has files? Oh, is there?
Oh. Thank you so much, my lady. I would just run along.
Hold on, Leo. Hey. Come. Come here. Come on. Very cute, man.
My lady, don't you think you're crossing the line?
Say so. I like you a whole lot. I really do.
Oh, my lady, why would you like me?
Leo, I want you to become my lover. Hey, don't go away.
You can't possibly do this, my lady.
Why not? I know it will hit you as a shock. Leo, you don't want to know what I go through in my marriage, do you? I know all the ladies want to become like Lady Baby. Some are even using me as a prayer point. That's because they don't know what I go through in this whole thing called marriage. But Leo, you and I know too well that my husband is always traveling on a business trip, leaving me all by myself. And my pillow has become my companion. I don't want that anymore, I want you. Come on.
Hello, Mr. Wilson. Oh, no, there is no need for a check. I already sent my personal assistant to the house to get those files for you. Oh, okay. Yes, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. All right.
Chief is not satisfying me.
Yet, you had children for him.
You will not understand. I want the real thing.
My lady, I understand your plight. Seriously, I do. But I will not do what is dishonorable. I just got married newly, and the last thing that I will do is to cheat on my wife with you.
I'll make you an offer.
Which is?
$500,000 if you agree to sleep with me now.
$500,000 for me to cheat on my wife with you?
1 million.
Even with 10 million naira, I'm not going to do it. I can't do it. My lady, please, I beg to take my leave. I have things to do in the office.
If you step out of that door, Leo, I will frame you up with rape. Not just that, I will make sure my husband fires you and have you locked up in jail for the rest of your life.
Is this supposed to be a threat?
Why don't you figure it out yourself?
Is she not supposed to be a lady of Knight of St. Augustine? What does she mean by framing me up with rape? Is she really going to do that? I knew what it took me to secure this job, and now I'm about to lose it because I refuse to sleep with my boss's wife. What do I call this now? This is temptation. But seriously, I cannot wrap my head on why it must be me. This is serious threat. What do I do now?
Babe? Babe? Babe!
You said?
Babe, I've been calling your name. You're not saying anything. Is something bothering you?
Should I tell her? No. I don't think it is wise to do so. I just want to give her a sense of belonging.
Babe, there is something eating deep in you. Are you sure you don't want to talk about it?
Baby, I told you earlier that I'm fine. You don't have to worry about anything. I'm good.
Then let me serve your food.
Babe, I'm not hungry. I'll eat later, but at least not now.
Honey, what do you mean you're not hungry? You said everything is fine, right? Let me serve your food. I'm serving your food, don't be stubborn.
Hello, Leo. Pick your call, come on.
Oh, Chief is not an important call.
Are you sure?
Yes, Chief, the call is not.
So how do you know which is important and not? Listen to me. It's not good to ignore calls because someone who is trying to communicate with you might be in some sort of in a tight corner or in danger. You never can say.
Alright, sir.
Quite excused.
Yes? What is it now? Do you want to put us into trouble?
I just got it now. I need you to come around.
Can you even hear yourself speak? You forgot that these working hours and they want me to come around.
You better look for something to tell Chief.
What? I should lie to Chief because I want to come and be with you.
Yes. He doesn't know I'm the one calling you, right?
Yes.
Tell him it was your wife that called you, that she's not feeling too well and needs your attention now. Maybe for you to drive her to the hospital or something.
Is there anything wrong with you? You want me to lie with my wife's health? Why would I want to do that?
Alright, if you can lie with your wife's health, look for something to tell him.
Listen, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
I need to see you right here and now.
Deborah, what is wrong with you? I can see that you have reduced me into a girl, right?
I want to make love. You just have to find your way here.
Listen to me. I'm not going to oblige to what you're saying. I'm not coming.
I need my whole body to be set on fire.
What's that?
I'll have to chew this for a fast action. I don't want to wait all day for it to start working. By the time my sugar boy will get here, I will be very ready to devour him. My sex enhancement tablets have been the one doing the magic. I get to enjoy sex all the time, even at my age. Leo has the sweetest thing dangling in between his thighs. He is such a woman killer in bed, no cap.
What happened? Why is your face like this?
Chief, I just got a distress call from home.
I hope all is well.
Oh, it's my wife. She just called to inform me that she fell in the bathroom.
What? How serious is that?
I wouldn't know how serious it is until I get home.
Oh, well, quickly drive down home to see your wife as fast as possible. You see why it's not good to ignore calls, I told you.
Alright, Chief, but as soon as I'm done...
No, it is serious. Drive home to see how your wife is doing. Okay?
Alright, I'll be on that weekend.
Okay. Sorry. Hello, Mr. Wood. Oh, good to have you here. Yes, I'm trying to clean up the backlog.
This is a sex enhancement tablet. Have you been taking this?
Of course. I take it to boost my sexual urge.
Oh, I guess this has been the secret behind you always being wet and while doing love making. Always making you wanting more and not having enough of me.
Of course. Since you men take it, why can't we? Let's go to bed, sweetheart.
Not until I see that lot.
Come on, that's not an issue. As long as you keep scratching my back, why not? I will always credit your account. It's not an issue, like I said earlier. Come. Let's go, baby.
Baby, you're so sweet. You are sweet as honey.
And you are sweeter.
I feel good.
No, just ignore the call, please. I want more.
That's my wife.
It doesn't matter. Come on.
Hi, babe.
Hey, babe. Hi. How's work?
Work is fine.
Babe, what's that? I heard the voice of a woman mourning in pleasure. Babe, what are you doing?
It's nothing. It probably is television. I'm the office working with my chairman.
Look, I know what I heard. Are you cheating on me? Then what is that mourning for? I'm going to the mall, so I called for the transfer.
Okay. I'll just do it in a couple of minutes. Okay. What's that? You saw that I was on a call with my wife and you moaned. She heard you.
I'm sorry, but she got us in the middle of something.
Doesn't really matter. She's my wife.
I need you now. I want more. It don't matter, sweetheart. Come here.
Hi, beautiful.
Who's the girl you were with earlier today?
Babe, I thought we were jewelers.
Answer me!
Baby, stop now.
Stop what? I need to know the truth. Who did you sleep with today?
Nobody.
Liar. You must think I'm daft, right? I've been noticing something on your boxes every day.
Babe, what are you talking about?
The thick, sticky wetness on your boxes every day. What is it all about?
Babe, what are you even saying? Why this irrational behavior? Wait a minute, are you trying to accuse me of cheating on you with another woman?
Leo, your underpants is wet and sticky every time you change them. I'm going to ask you for the last time. Are you cheating on me?
Babe, listen, this is not what I expect from you as my wife. I expect that when I come back from work, you come and hug me, kiss me on the forehead, and ask me how was work. And not you interrogating me in my own house. Doesn't even make any sense to you.
You know, you might think I'm a piece of furniture that you purchased for the decoration of your house. Every day, you leave this house every morning and come back in the evening, most times late at night. And you come here giving me a flimsy excuse.
My darling wife, you see, when a relationship begins to lack trust, the end is closer, and I don't want that to be our situation. I have nothing to tell you about this. From the depth of my heart, I'm sorry. I did not mean to hurt you. Can I at least have a hug? I'm still your husband. No? I'm sorry. Hi. I'm sorry.
Baby, that reminds me. Your PA didn't come back with you. Does it mean he left after work?
Well, he got a call from his wife that she slipped from the bathroom.
Ah, so sorry. I hope she didn't sustain any injury.
I wouldn't know.
Wow. You know how slippery ties can be.
Well,
Too bad.
I think to find out what transpired actually. When I get to the office tomorrow night before I finally travel.
Now your PA is such a hardworking young man. Believe me.
You alright?
Mm-hmm. Who else? He's so hardworking. He knows what he does. I mean, unlike the other former PA.
That one is just nonsense. I'm sorry to say that, but
No.
he's just a lazy dude.
Yeah. Austin was a goofer. Everyone knows that.
So lazy. Looking for one excuse to give or the other. I'm just wondering how his sexual life will be. To tell you the gospel truth, he won't be very good.
Excuse me? How does Austin's sexual life affect him?
No. Oh. Sorry. I was just thinking aloud. Sorry.
Vio, I'm talking to you. Vio, are you rejecting my food?
Yes, Quincy. You looked me in the face and you accused me of infidelity and you want me to eat your food. How does that even work?
Just because I voiced out my observation? Is that why you don't want to eat my food tonight? Really?
Wait, are you yelling at me? I don't blame you anyways. Each time you ask me of money, I credit your account with a huge amount of money. So you stand here and say rubbish to my face.
Well, it's your responsibility to take care of me. So stop acting like you're helping my life. It's fine if you don't want to eat.
Deborah.
Chief, come on. Please, just let me sleep.
I've noticed lately that you've been avoiding me. Why?
Chief Zukwanike.
What do you mean?
Zuike, rest in Jesus' name. Ha!
What do you mean I should rest in Jesus' name? How? Are you not my wife?
Aren't you way too old for this?
Deborah, what's the meaning of this? Why are you ranging me from the time I'm supposed to come to you as a husband and when I'm not supposed? Why? You are my wife. You are not supposed to deny me of my conjugal right. What's this fuss all about?
I just feel you should leave this for young blood and not.
So what did I marry you for? You should check the day I will be old and when I will be young to enjoy my wife? Is that it? Because I'm old, I shouldn't enjoy my wife.
Oh yeah. Just come and do a beg, let me rest.
With that face.
What do you want? I said come and do, let me rest, and you're saying with that face. What do you mean by you see the reason I said you're too.
She's a boss lady. Whatever she wants, she's gonna get it. She's the boss lady. She'll never stop until she has her way. She's the boss lady.
Oh, you know, yeah.
Good morning,
Hello, you're welcome. I heard your wife fell in the bathroom.
Yes.
So how is she?
She's pretty good. It's just a minor injury.
I hope she's good. For real?
Yes, Chief. She's fine now. Chief, are you traveling?
Oh, yes. I have a business meeting scheduled to go by 10 a.m. with our foreign investors tomorrow.
I have no idea, sir.
Oh, yes. You were already gone when Mr. Wood called that I should be in Abuja this morning, so I have to.
Okay, in that case, I should go with you then.
Well, you have to go home, stay with your wife. I will handle everything.
Chief, I know, but I can still go with you.
I insist. So I have to run along.
Okay, so put his luggage in the car, okay?
I'll go, my lady.
Right. I'm gonna miss
Yes,
you.
baby. I miss you too.
All right. do make a call, right? To remind me of the thing you said I should buy.
Of course I will.
I may forget my head.
You will not. I miss you.
She's a boss lady. Her body's on fire. Her burning desire is unquenchable. Her eyes like fire, ready to devour. She is a lady on a mission. She's gonna get whatever that she wants. She is beautiful. Any man will
Chief, I've been willing to ask you, how long are you staying?
Well, I'm not too sure, but I will be gone for 1 week.
1 week. Chief, I should go with you. This is more reason why I love my job, because it takes me around.
This shouldn't take you away from your wife. This is the time she needs you most. Both of you are married for 2 years, and don't you need a baby?
They are yet to come, Chief.
They are yet to come. Is it that you are not doing it any better?
Chief, we are trying.
Then try. Wow. Your trying is not good enough. Do everything you can to defeat barrenness. Oh, is there some kind of distractors? You are handsome, good looking, and I know some girls will be distracting you.
Chief, I love my wife Quincy so much, and I wouldn't want to cheat on her.
Then do something. Both of you are married for 2 years, and don't you need a baby?
They are yet to come, Chief.
They are yet to come. Is it that you are not doing it any better?
Chief, we are trying.
Then try. Wow. Your trying is not good enough. Do everything you can to defeat barrenness. Oh, is there some kind of distractors? You are handsome, good looking, and I know some girls will be distracting you.
Come in. Just come in.
Hey, what took you so long? I've been waiting. I can see it's already busting out from your trouser.
You're the most beautiful lady I've ever seen in my entire life.
I know. Come with me. I can't wait to show you my new stuff.
She's gonna get whatever that she wants. She's beautiful. Any man will
Let me help you.
No.
Now what's the matter?
I want money.
Money? Why? Why will you always bring up money issue whenever we are trying to make out? Why?
Because whatever we're doing is on contract. You contracted me to be servicing you. Remember?
Is that how you see it? I thought you were my sugar boy.
No. I'm not your sugar boy. I am your gigolo. Have you forgotten that I have a wife? I'm married.
A wife? A wife that cannot even get pregnant. Look who he's talking about, wife.
Hey, you should watch your tongue.
Or what? But that's the truth. For 2 years now, you have nothing to show for it. No child. So?
Really? That's the height of it. Oh, it's fine.
Where do you think you're going? Come on.
I will not sit here with you and watch you insult my wife right in my presence. What's that supposed to mean?
Did I say anything wrong?
The question is, what is it that you haven't said wrong?
If you step out, I will tell Chief all you've been doing with me. Guess what? You will kiss your job goodbye. I will not stop at that. I will also go to your so-called wife, Quincy, and I will tell her everything. Tell her that you are my bedmate. You will also lose your marriage. How is it going to be like? Are you in or out?
Let's have fun.
Good boy. Take off your shirt. Let me see your magic first. I need to feel it. Oh, just get out. Allow me help you.
Quincy.
Sis.
What's going on? It's your 2 years in marriage. Why hasn't your husband bloated your tummy yet? Are you both not doing the do? Are you just sitting and looking at each other?
If I tell you I have answers to your question, then I'm a big liar.
That means you will do it, just that it hasn't entered.
The truth is I don't understand Leo anymore. The same Leo I left my Oliver for and got married to has changed completely.
Does he cheat?
I think so.
You think so?
No, I know so. Because how do you explain this? Leo comes back every day with wet and sticky underpants.
No. I don't get it. I'm kind of confused. What exactly do you mean?
I mean, his pants down there are always wet and sticky with his semen.
Like his pants are always gummy.
My point exactly.
That explains it all. He's cheating.
Exactly.
But the big question now is, with whom?
I'll definitely find out. I also found out that these days he doesn't allow me ask for money twice. Each time I ask Leo for money, he sends it ASAP. And he even doubles what I ask for.
This is serious. Maybe it's his secret lover that is sponsoring his lifestyle, sending him money. Maybe that's why he's acting this way.
But how can I be sharing my husband with a random girl out there? How? Look, sis, I need children. Leo comes back home saying he's tired and stressed out. Last night he didn't touch my food.
Why?
Because I confronted him. Alright, let me go get you dinner. I know you're tired now.
Cool.
Is that your wife?
Not like you care.
And what is that supposed to mean?
You kept me here by this time of the night. I'm supposed to be with my wife. I'm a married man. You kept me against my wish. Do you expect me to be happy?
See what you're going to do. Pick up the phone. Tell your wife you're returning tomorrow morning.
You say?
Of course. I am not releasing you till tomorrow morning. And that's it.
I don't get it. What's your plan? Are you trying to destroy my marriage while you keep yours? Is that what you're trying to do?
Which marriage are we even talking about here, if I may ask? The one that has no fruit, nothing to show for it, no child, for 2 solid years. And I'm just beginning to wonder, is it that your thing functions well on another man's wife? I mean, it doesn't function well on your wife that is young.
I will not be here and listen to this rubbish. I'm out of here. Stop me if you can.
Oh, really? Go on. Let me call your wife. Of course, I'll call her and let her know what we have been doing.
No. Wait.
Why am I losing you? Why are you walking away from me day after day? I cry day and night. Hope you come to me, dry my tears and make me smile. The way you look at me shows me that you're no longer here. You keep lying to me.
So, when are you bringing him home?
Bringing who home?
The guy you see when you think I don't know.
Sis, I'm not seeing any guy aside Oliver, and that's the truth.
Oliver. Wait a minute. No way. Don't tell me it's the same Oliver that left you and traveled to America without bothering to come back and settle down with you. Ha! They play.
Sis, what do you mean by that?
What I mean is, Oliver has moved on. Probably with a white woman. So I wonder why you're still bothering yourself.
Sis, Oliver promised me forever. He will come back for me. He will definitely come back.
Quincy, why are you like this? No, why are you doing this to yourself when it's clear that he's not coming back for you? Yes. Don't tell me you want to keep this whole beauty for some guy that is in America that you don't even know when he's coming back.
How can I date any other person aside Oliver?
No, you're not being serious. No, you are my sister. You are not being serious. No. This is a lie. No, Quincy, I know you. Like, you are my sister. You are very beautiful, the most beautiful of them all. And you just want to waste the beauty waiting for someone.
Look,
you're lying.
Sis, I am not lying. Look, I am not saying I do not have men crushing on me. They do, they come to me. But I am not seeing any of them. But there is this particular guy. He calls himself Secret Admirer. He keeps sending me flowers, packages, gifts, and he hasn't revealed himself.
Did you say Secret Admirer?
Exactly. I don't even know who this person is.
That means you don't even know what he looks like.
I don't. Well,
Okay, I have a package for you.
another package.
Same person.
Right. Sign here.
This is crazy. Alright, thank you.
Be on my way.
Alright, thank you. So you see what I'm talking about? This is another package. And there's a letter inside. Let's see. Where you go?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, my name is Rona. But you can call me Leo. I'm your secret admirer.
You? So it's been you all along?
Yes, it's me, beautiful Quincy.
Wait, how did you know my name?
I know 3 quarters of you. I mean, I followed you on Facebook.
Facebook?
Yes.
How?
Well, I am the guy that sent you a friend request that took you almost a year for you to accept.
Well, I don't easily accept friend requests of someone I do not know. But I remember this particular guy, Leo Fine.
Well, this young man standing before you is Leo Fine. The guy that you finally accepted his friend's request, and he was on your DM trying to woo you, but you blocked him.
That's because you were choking me with love emojis. I had to block you.
Well, looking at you, you do not look different. You look extremely beautiful, just the way you look on Facebook.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself too. Oh, please, my bad. Meet my elder sister, Perpetua. Perpetua, the secret admirer.
Oh,
Nice to meet you, Peps.
pleasure is mine.
I must say that beauty runs in your home. Your other sister looks good as well.
I know. Thank you. Oh, please, let's go in so I could offer you something.
That won't be necessary. So why don't we step out and go have lunch together? I mean, the whole of us.
Oh. No. I'll stay. Both of you should go.
Are you sure you don't want to be part of us?
We'll be fine.
Alright, just give me a few minutes. Let me just get my things ready. Why are you so excited? Yeah.
Thank you. He's a nice person, right?
Well, I'm just a bit skeptical about handsome guys.
Why?
What do you mean why? They are every lady's man. I don't have the strength to drag my man with any woman.
Oh, no. He doesn't look like a bad person to me.
Well, you can't know that by mere looks. The guy is too handsome, and that's one of the reasons I blocked him.
Yet he found you. Right?
Sis, come on. I have a fragile heart. And have you forgotten I have a fiancé that lives abroad?
Oh, please, stop it. Oliver. Sis, my instinct tells me that Leo is a different person.
Same way you endorsed Oliver, your friend and classmate. Sis, you know I can't cheat on my man. I can't even think of it.
Look at you. No, look at you. Sit down here and keep behaving this way. I have good news for you. Oliver has moved on. He has dumped you. If you don't know, let me tell you now. Probably with some older woman that has money.
No, I disagree. We communicate every day. We do video calls.
So why is he not here? Yeah, if he loves you that much, why is he not here to marry you? Or he wants you to grow wrinkles before he will come and marry you?
Sis, I can't do this. I can't. Please.
Quincy, you know I love you, right? You need to give love a chance.
My pretty Thompson. The envy of all the women in this world. The gorgeous of them all.
I'm alright.
Right. You know that I love you so much.
I love you even more.
I mean, this world is meaningless without you by my side. My forever best.
And you know my whole world revolves around you. My world best.
You are the one for me. The one that I love so much. The one that I would want to spend the rest of my life with. Whom my heart has come to cherish and adore so much. So I'm going to ask you to please walk this walk with me. Be part of me and make me a responsible man.
Ask me again like you mean it.
Okay, baby, I want you to please marry me and be the mother of my 4 kids.
Yes! Yes,
So
I will marry you.
You marry me for real?
I would love to, baby. And I'll be the mother of your beautiful kids.
Thank you so much. I love you so much.
I love you. Oh my goodness.
We're going to have baby. Babe, please, can you let me catch some sleep? I'm tired.
Come on, dear. I want you to, please.
Are you sure you're normal?
What is that supposed to mean? Is there anything wrong with me demanding for sex from my lover?
Everything is wrong with you. Constant demanding for intimacy. Chief married the need for maniac without even knowing it.
Alright, I know my libido is high, but what can I do? I got married to an older man and before you came into the picture, I was using Dido to satisfy myself.
What? You masturbate?
Well, like I said earlier, it was before you came in, before we started dating.
Have you by any chance cheated on Chief before I came into the picture?
Hell no! Didn't you hear what I said? I used to satisfy myself with Dido. Not with anybody.
Try to make it make more sense to me. From what you're saying, you're trying to tell me that Chief doesn't sleep with you?
Well, I never said so. He does. But it's as good as nothing. He's way older than I am. He doesn't even function properly.
If I'm to be honest with you, then I must tell you that you are extremely beautiful and young, sophisticated, elegant, personified. What is the age disparity between you and Chief?
Thanks for the compliment first.
You're welcome.
Chief is 19 years older than I am.
Oh.
So you see, I need a fresh blood. Hey, I'll make you happy now. Check your phone. I just sent you the sum of 1 million naira.
You don't need to check my phone and trust me. You are the best. You're everything and more that I ever wanted. I'm so sweet.
Now come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Baby, please open the door.
I am not opening the door. Go back to where you're coming from.
Locking me outside is not the best thing to do. I need to prepare for work.
Go away! Just go! Leave! Go back to her!
Why am I losing you? Why are you walking away from me day after day? I cry day and night. Hope you come to me, dry my tears and make me smile. The way you look at me shows me that you're no longer here. You keep lying to my face. I don't know how to bring you back to me. You are slipping away from me. You are slipping away from me. You are walking away from me like the wave of the ocean. You are slipping away from me. You are slipping away from me. You are walking away from me like the wave of the ocean. I have been lonely all night.
I have been driving around cycle since I drove out of my compound. Where do I go from here? I can't even go back to Chief house. Else, Deborah will turn me into a sex worker the whole day. That woman is draining my life. Even as a mother of 5 grown-up children, she's hot. That woman is the sweetest I have ever had. The way she twerks, her waist each time she's on top of me drives me crazy. Deborah Bugomo. Her magical touch alone sends shivers running down my spine.
Sis, I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore. I want out.
No, you can't be saying that.
What would you have me do then?
You were wrong by not allowing him into his house.
I did what was right at that time. I was right in my anger. Leo left this house in the morning and came back the next day. Who does that?
You should have given him benefit of the doubt by hearing him out.
Well, I do not want to listen to the lies that will come out of his mouth. I mean, I'm sick and tired of all this. Leo has completely changed. He's not the Leo you used to know. He now cheats.
I insist you hear him out.
Well, he has left. I guess back to where he has been all through the night.
I can't believe Leo is doing this. What changed? He used to be all over you. You were practically the only woman in his life.
I thought so too.
When he comes back, open the door for him and try to hear him out first. You never can tell.
I'll call you back.
Melvin, come on, I'm fine. Your mommy is doing very well. My darling, I hope you are staying out of trouble, you and your sisters.
I hope you're trying your best to stay out of trouble, you and your younger sisters. Of course. Sugar, you should know that you are our only son. We don't joke with you at all. Of course. And you know the reason we chose that you kids should study abroad. That's because we want the best for you children. That's nice. Oh, your daddy, yeah. He traveled to Abuja. No, he went for a business meeting. He'll be staying a week there. Why don't you call your daddy's line and find out how he's doing, naughty boy? It's alright. My regards to your sisters. Just say me well to them. Hey, you came back. Ooh. Leo. I love this. So why did you change?
Leave me away.
Not until you tell me where you've been. Leo, I'm talking to you.
Quincy, what gave you the right to lock me outside my house?
I have the right to even do worse things to you, like empty a pot of hot oil all over you.
Really? Has it gotten to that? Is that your plan? You want to kill me now?
Where exactly are you coming from? Who did you sleep with?
I went to work and I didn't sleep with anybody.
Liar. Cheap white lies. Swear that you were not with another woman.
Baby, do you have any evidence to your claim?
Yes. I have evidence. I do.
What are you saying, Leo?